Yeah, British Airways. You were Rwanda, you were Kenya Airways, you were Ethiopian, you were Morocco, you were one, Ubia one,
Tunisia for
Tunis, you were one, young Qua. You took her near the table board, didn't yes. Madame Atiesi Kweshiane boss. Yes, the vice president is going to welcome the president. Oh, lovely. That is it. So quite a chiribo call my should be to come out. Maybe I'll come as a crab a share. You know. Kufo market koshe e bampontin there no if you want my bank cry intimities or banana dimly kabishia. So His Excellency is back in town. Nah, meaning say and Sompa and interior ministers, cabinet ministers bebre ubia koshiano kama Emma be sign. Now that kwaba no yensano. The president about to tell me ka Boakye. And can you grow back as a president, Your Excellency Akwaba? We as well say, my high ho crowd. You near Akwaba, we are Akwaba no ye. No Akwaba no bohoro. Go you Boakye Abia. No, you Boakye and so any day. And one no, Tianko him. Na, Justin Friponko di Andra. On my exclusive was a Trokrata the Accord Disciplinary Committee on the conduct of Kwame Bafo Abronye DC. Now, the National Secretariat of the new petroleum provinces informed the public and all stakeholders that the General Secretary, Mr. Justin Kodia Frimpong, has formally submitted a petition to the National Disciplinary Committee regarding the conduct of Mr. Kwame Bafo, popularly known as Abronye DC. Yes, yeah, inquiry. The petition outlines a series of actions by Mr. Bafo that are deemed not only unbecoming of a member of the party, but also gravely detrimental to the image, unity, and integrity of the organization. Key concerns raised in the petition include defamation of a senior party member. Mr. Bafo is reported to have publicly insulted Honorable Ken Omanhene Japan, a distinguished member of the party, with derogatory statement, including a claim that even the elephant has more wisdom than Honorable Japan. Such remarks are unprintable, defamatory, and damaging to the reputation of Honorable Japan and the party at large. 2. Baseless allegations against the General Secretary. Mr. Bafo further alleged that the General Secretary deliberately concealed the report that purportedly implicated Honorable Japan as the destroyer of the party and recommended his expulsion. These allegations are false, malicious, and injurious to the integrity of the office of the General Secretary. 3. Misrepresentation of committee findings. Additionally, Mr. Bafo has purported to disclose and misrepresent the contents of the disciplinary committee report, alleging that it is catalogued various offenses attributed to Honorable Japan. Such conduct constitutes a serious breach of confidentiality, discretion, decorum, and party discipline, while also undermining the authority of the committee. So what are they seeking? In light of the foregoing, the petition respectfully requests the National Disciplinary Committee to 1. Conduct a full and impartial inquiry. Inquiry. We are conducting an inquiry. The impartial inquiry into the conduct of Mr. Kwame Bafo Abronye. Apply the appropriate disciplinary sanctions in accordance with the party constitution, as his conduct constitutes defamation, misconduct, and gross indiscipline. Here, I disagree with those who apply the appropriate disciplinary section. It has not been proven otherwise. If, so they should have added, if proven otherwise, or if proven. If you say they should apply, it is like you are giving a command to them to do, and they make money. Yes, because I was also if found guilty, because a committee will sit and an investigation will go.
And that to establish
prima facie against. In accordance with the party constitution, the party emphasizes that emphasizes that ensuring accountability within its ranks is non-negotiable because it safeguards the unity, integrity, and credibility of the organization. The leadership remains committed to fairness, discipline, and the protection of the party's democratic values. Justin Frimpong Kodua, Onwa na petition ako, Onwa na assign, Onwa Sansi General Secretary. You see a discipline committee Transi, Abronye Regional Chairman, a member of the National Council, General Secretary, National Executive Council, a higher body. Onini bi enu anyasem, one be we. Abronye baya was say I wajiatum nebom. Womoma no live camera, live broadcast. My attention has been drawn to a social media communique issued by our great party and duly signed by the General Secretary, Lawyer Joseph, inviting me to appear before the party's National Disciplinary Committee. I hereby write to indicate my full preparedness and willingness to appear before the committee to comprehensively lay bare and substantiate the antichrist action and inaction of Omanhene Yaw, which has undermined the cohesion of integrity of our party. Since the referral was made public, I therefore propose that the sitting of the committee be conducted openly, not in camera, broadcast live, so that the rank and file of our noble party may have the opportunity to witness as first hand the manifest antichrist posture. He wants to demonstrate them first hand the manifest antichrist posture of Honorable Omanhene Yaw. Hey, your process this committee let our actually you. I saw a regional chairman. The Roy and Abronye for a sanction. Ade to General Secretary. That's in Kodia with the party. Or not to say you're a regional chairman. The region from the office of the regional chairman will reply. Pachotiawa. No, I don't know. But Jakun declares, Ajakunya can't say we are chill da. Yow. Jakun, yes, or person who the idea to say what ye. To chill never did national chairman. 275 constituency chairman, Shia Kumasi. Almost said Jakun, yeah, when your video no. Almost said Jakun caught near the mount. Na ye fi se wo nimde ne tumi na wanim so adu wanim anyam wo be national chairman e ja ko di de gubo adum ni adan sa trotro krata say na beba ba ja ko nya ready because yaw let me give you a hint he will be facing a certain anakomia
and no so de ne dia ba
yeah me kan da be yeah me kan ye nche
and no so de
me kan how when was the last time more than 3 weeks ago. And I'm saying, Boakye Yaw unity on them from the Baumias camp will be who? Anakomia. Because when you are there, Yaw, Tiawa. Yaw intend to be the flag bearer. No. 2. Yaw also has a little feeling of a beef. With the president, the way a man you know, it's now say Yaw dear be and a crime of fast so yeah the last elections be one and you don't all withdraw almost second round no
yeah
it's about me I'm go for fee say Jakube chairman I hear now but I can tell you so say
but the best set of scores
party for no so fee say one-sided sanity will not come. About to say, now you become the poodle of who wins. Me chairman, me secretary name say we need to take a decision go to cry. Oh mama, you know me no makoye kitchen cabinet. Oh take a decision now. And Sunday be cry National Council. Mobile ko turn here ya wie. Eti nana komianso so ne Jaku race no and nabetel. They are men of repute, men of stature. Untumi am so be first vice. Untumi dey ayi dey be first vice. Na dey ayi.
Say abe nana akomia.
Abe
Boakye Yaw, abe
Jomboadu.
Abe Asabi susu wom.
Asabi no me hu say dey be bit me biti Asabi kakra ye ne health.
Sir.
Yeah. Asabi be a bit because we hear Nana Komia, the vibrancy and Yiso Ejako. Asabi ase. Kawun to be so ejinem ba wun to me. So obu timia. First vice na da ho twe no ne dia. Ye beto no so aba na emom obi ani wo di wun to me call first vice. Matis say Sompa so call first vice. National.
Oko contest vice chairman.
But you see how him do my no.
As to say.
You see how money say you 2 hour obenya first vice. You are contesting for first vice, second vice, third vice.
Oh sir.
The new constitution no. Eti ulusu anya fe ne ka say we nya dodo na e do ko second o.
Answer first no mo ye ne.
Now there will be a contest of nipa 4 for first vice. You want me first vice.
Okay.
3 na ka nyina am kotra fie. Second vice. Wa nya kotra fie. Oh, the first no, the first vice we knew ya. Yes, we when nya 1200, you nya 900 the second 10. Wo matwam.
Oh, okay.
Eti we who first vice wa we nie. E ho ne fatal. O ko second no ko nya second.
So na first vice no so no constitution o masesa na manipa no emu ayedu. Anya say da so say we vice but who didn't take decision
say office by the constitution they are putting in dictates that will give the first vice an office until no mama no by election second vice by election third by election
to more offices
yes
to
office of the first vice
a job to do
yes and yes as a ceremony yes
and they say
yes and also so order quickly newly posted teachers no woman soon na PRO
for good 2 weeks we have not heard anything. Today we've joined a larger group to come. We want to believe if you put our issues before His Excellency, our issues will be addressed. In as much as His Excellency was able to listen to the cry of tomato farmers and made sure that their cry was heeded to, in the same way He can listen to our cry and come to our aid. We cannot teach with empty stomachs. No, we cannot stay. We cannot stay outside whilst teaching. We stay in what? Rented facilities. The Ghana Education Service does not offer us accommodation. We are renting. Where do you expect us to get money to pay for our rent? I, for example.
Okay. Papa ya okasei sebio nani hano. Or you're visually impaired. Mami ojina ni nchen ono soso. Na enra am se PRO no ono awaje ne ho gina. Okoso okwa address wo mu. Omo pamo no. Yes, almost omu hia. Haruna drisu awo wu ahwan. Na mum haruna drisu so ya de. Or say 13 months without salary there is unacceptable. He's going to walk the talk. Yenti haruna drisu. Hona ni agrek no. Ono ne honi agrek no. Cause ono no beka edimu
to receive your humble petition and to assure you that I will walk the talk on the issue of the unfair labor treatment.
Thank you.
That has been meted to you.
Thank you.
It is not acceptable labor practice anywhere that you will work for 13 months without pay. But understandably, I ordinarily could simply have said that I don't control the pairs by way of releases. But be assured that I'm on top of the matter. I met with the Honorable Minister for Finance on Tuesday, the 23rd of this month. Okay. And we discussed your matter. And your matter is receiving parity of government. We are heading to cabinet with a joint cabinet memo, which will be signed and sponsored by me and the Honorable Atu Forsen, to make a strong case to recruit, just as I stated. Our estimation is for both GES and TVET, we need 53,000 teachers more.
Manya kwampem so no kwa no teacher ni o. Ono wa ye on pay teacher pay. It what you must say. It in the next 30 days the budget will cater for them. And also the any more there.
College and was posted to teach. For 8 months I did not have salary, and I know how difficult it was. And so I can relate perfectly well with all of you. For teaching for 1 year without a salary, how difficult such a situation can be. The finance minister will want me to tell you this, that he sympathizes with you, and that your predicament, your situation has been brought to his attention. He has gone to brief His Excellency the President, who has given him the green light to make sure that he fixes your problems. And so in the next 30 days, the finance minister is going to Parliament to present the next budget to Parliament. In that budget, the finance minister is going to make provision for all of you to be catered for.
Tiawa, nya assembly abio. Ebe team for jo shenkom. Osi nyame ngosra wo ba o aso. Ono no aka so wo media de. Reverend team for jo.
Me yesofo. Me Bible a me kan no kire me say, God is no respecter of persons. Na Nyankopon etumi fa obi esra ne ngo, emfa nso e Kristoni, emfa nso e kremoni, edini dini manso, ma ne manfo ediye. Na saa nipa mehu saa ngosra wo ne so no, ene Dr. Bawumia.
Okay. Interior Minister so yin sembia no about security agencies. Omo housing support. Now be the dance say abeye a big issue, immigration force omo free. Also, security agencies do not pay tax on rent because their housing support is treated as a subsidy.
Taxes on your rent? The security agencies are not supposed to pay taxes on their rent.
Madam Chair, yes, and there's the evidence we've given them the letter because, I mean, as you may know, this their rent is because of the percentage of salary is of sometimes cannot get them the accommodation. So I think the Ministry of Finance worked it out through Parliament to exempt them. So because of that, they don't. Almost all of them, and there's no almost, all of them don't pay tax on their rent.
Respectfully, I want the auditors to confirm if, and there's a rule or there's a law that exempts the security agencies from paying taxes on rent.
They have a letter. This is actually a subsidy, rent subsidy. So it's not part of their monthly salary.
So it's not an exemption, it's a subsidy. Yeah. There's a clear difference between an exemption and then a subsidy.
Gentlemen, Akwaba. Another time na TI pa. Your time na Public Accounts Committee se man doso. Ba minya obia na obia ante ho 2 minutes bi na pege mu. Asante. Then I can want them.
Me can want some PAC dey na be start Public Account Committee.
That's right.
On my side, revelations are bad in the last 3-4 days. No TB and Araho, and none of Panama Yaboma about could be a just say. Head Obia,
I know you're trying to cut 26 months.
Arahu says, meanwhile, I'm crowd so almost super like a tria, a dear Tiomoka. We business where we is.
Nanipano lives so.
Where's the work or Cobon sound
cry?
And so Cobon sound would Nippon a year, but Nippona or Hono. Who say obi oboso nya ewu death certificate dance and akase we dia me ma wakọ bonsa ama what try na kasa 26 months
sakati an ekọ ha
so kotu at na account no. And the question is enkura bu ba be say 5-7,000 yentu omoka usu sika o se de ma aban nanka ujetimi ni nipa na kan wafa ana wakotu an wrongfully Oman Public Account Committee over the years maybe revelations are coming and so by yede you see omuni power of prosecution or whatever and to be go into fair ma CID and answer yoku nanka yentwi nipa biaso because e kopa se CID na be ni say dia enye nipa so be say how never so bia ni so because committee na kwatransa bi o mbanya allowance na ade na mo ye no fa so na ba so de na Ghana fo nya free mu
hwe say if for no is ankomamu ekubi ni friend say
oh you refika crowd
ya umbe kai me is ankomamu kobi o mu call Supreme Court ma now they have the power to surcharge anybody awadi o man sika oh group here omo complicate wo Jubilee
Debi enye
Occupy Ghana. They've gone to court and the Supreme Court have ruled and has given powers to even the Auditor General and the Public Accounts Committee to surcharge.
Yes. Ekofa ne pension ko ba yi. Se no surcharge yi.
Safumafu.
Ana na nye no a.
Safumafu nya yi.
Surcharge
Crow and associate. And omo ko twe na yi ni ba.
And na money hunu.
And e ko pension. But no Public Accounts Committee they have a power of subpoena. They can subpoena you, but they don't have a power of a high court to say Abia ombetimi ajelu ni ade. But e was said dumre other countries Kenya no ni ade no. Public Account Committee invite wa. E hona police be fa ko. So if they
Nigeria
find you wanting Nigeria EFCC for who call menima who ya police they will call you are going to court a high court na do assembly jail. Aha quite say akoya lip service yeah Public Account Committee omo kono mu di nkomo wi ane apo
asa akaho
obi timi tua sika kwalebu ho omo ka medical office dem omo ye no ho no oman ti going forward na so me bibi fa ho ba me dem fa no teacher for there no na ma hu sa ban say omo de be kan budget no nurses for no so asu saa nurses for no nyina ema omu ni nkomo so na ye nkomo nyina mo ni nti omo ka no obi be ya adwuma wan yi ansan ye tua ne ka de na okoya oman no patriotism I say nipa ntu ne ho nche no wutu ho ache na aba oman no so ntu ne ho nche wo enye bibia sacrifice ma de wo ye no ma enso abade ya ntimi de me kenti awon say honorable Helen Drisu ene communal minta akando ono say the honorable Drisu ani abriye bibi say me hu say health minister no me hu ni sa de say bia batives na me hu dia what take the matter mama assurance ama ampem da kon so abekase by the end budget ye dey work akoshim when put the main budget
526 budget no
by oman you say na tie dia na me question musa no pani say eye den emre bia obi bekase obi ye abankofo bia ko yedwuma bia se wonya clearance into clearance o munya ya dey employ wo mo no na clearance be ya ntie besi na o matimi yedwuma say 3 weeks 3 months 4 months yentu omoka until now na clearance be no dem fo obi an obi an ko yedwuma ni bi na ne wo man na banya sika dia na otua because se nipo na nya clearance pa na besi ne sika ko kan auditor events auditor general say ba controller accountant general ho na se fa na ko ka obi yedwuma mo ntua ne ka na mabu ne bradodo sabi ni frani pa wo kira de abegiranti emfa no mimpo nka oman no
I'm going on Pamono. Ajako.
Oman, mame na se na ye chia ya tifo ni ahwefo no pai. Na mehwe a teacher for ni nurse for sika ya akamu be ye 13 months no. Ye wi fi se a chechefo yi eye wo mo a wo na prepare ye nkoda yi for ochina leadership role a ombe hold. And so if they are preparing your next generation I was say wo mo akuma mu fine ya adwumu fine na etiti nkoda yi because ene wo for the akoda no cool school a obesen hu nanim ni bi abo 5:30 ansa na wo hu nanim nti treche ni no ne akoda no neti efie ana school mu honom su ne ban bi obeda na di bia o na di nani hu nti di obehya ase ya obeda na di no obehu no hu se akoda wi ochia akoda wi osei akoda wi kwa ofaso kasa no wo ye ne dwuma di ahodo no ensem fata akoda yi kwan we na me fa so e kire na dia obeti ase se teacher ni no ne busum ya ketua wo se ehye ni nkuran na afei eboa no na adwini mu edam fan na wote na ni kire akoda no se wa anya saa ne ma na oman it means that they are preparing enkwada na next generation oma be worse than what we are seeing today because yam prepare kwada ni ya mana be patriotic one be discipline one be nya of minor at heart na one nwini of minor at any time the besia ne say omana na ebo no and here is the case say Omanhene eba ni say so a chechefo no na ye prepare Omanhene say they should be corrupt. They should accept bribe because you see I say but so me do me and sa ni sika ni na ketua emaye na akwada no nso wo school mu hodo men hyeda mbo number sa na ebia ne maame nso ne papa nso school mu hodo abeda ase ne kakra school mu hodo abeyesi kakra wo be say na de beba ne say obe promote akwada no sa o man ani nko no the discipline bi a wo so de ma akwada no so wo mfa ma no because after all ne papa ne maame ta abeyesi kakra de ma no this will be show kakra dia enu kwan so ye hard on akoda no fom kura na e wosenka ye de famra kwan so no onya ne saa na obedane no e de akwako discipline ni pafoforo so it creates room for a church for you say they should look for ways and means so ombenya sika na ways and means no nya bamu pe say ye papo say nya papo o de ne dia ne so obenya sika na chena wadnya bi e de ato ne botom no akọ school akọ chena de because what is due him or her no yamfa no na yemfa mano no obey den walivu sa chirche djuma yin so oban yin edio so okogina nkoda ya nim na wo kwan be ye wana ube wi aduane a wodi nyina
so do you understand say yes sir motiase say no sir
so what do you understand yes sir motiase no sir and sa chirche djuma yin so eh rokase a wo say obody observe
she
so
do you understand na you de
e dey abaye adwuma na mre
and I say yes sir afei matiase say no sir
no sir nti e wo say wo san
de 1 hour
also say shase for nti or prepare akwada for a better tomorrow na say onu ankasa no or prepare akwada no onye
oni a better tomorrow
now on sound well before
what mindset now person dey chira akwada
dey no ba
ya obrem
akonta ayi teacher for ya semia na me de kakra bi na me de so se utie omo demonstration no omo nsem na no omo e kan eduru ba bi a omo pam Ministry of Education PR no se omo ehia no so utie ni friend ni oba no ensem o kan ye no a o say got to a time na Ministry of Education PR no se ne no si kasa omo ho no kasa omo te se be omo ye nkwala bi ase
oba no
se o say ase se be omo ye atantan de bi no na mesre the same thing na ekoso asante about rezi nursing for ne dey no the same thing there's one PR obiso of Ministry of Health ono so ni interviews ne se ne usi kasa nurse for no
as if say
onsani omo ya ba adwuma e 40 say wow omo ya ba adwuma e 40 ase
odi akatua
yes political appointment
ase ya omo hi
I'm told to say they were there and na be aban no ekokoto omo but omo acting more omo ye more political than political appointees
na akofa say so omo demonstration omo di gu omo aban ya aban mu ase you shouldn't get there
demonstration omo ye pa nu am ba bia na ni je yen say omo say omo ji say aban ne betimi eti omo ka
yes
omo confidence omo did e bia no bone ba no maye
they were no mo
at times Yahweh there are people who become more Catholic than the Pope they cry more than the
Pope they have no be kai o mpia so but it is make sense
my boy useless
my
boss na mu si Sompa enya na o fere ye o de hwe Thomas Ampemnyako deputy finance minister no he got to a time almost omo ready so omo be hia hwan phobia they want to meet the minister because omo call presidency assign obi in Brigetotu e man e bound omo to arise Ghana youth no omo nyina na to ye e no je krata no ahye omo say president ba me de be ma no omo call finance ministry mu kofo obi as a
small boy
I'm say David Thomas Ampim Nyakuba obehia omo ono omo kasa boko omo yo omo da na omo ni eko baby edu Ministry of Education a yesu obi di PRO ono na eba be meanwhile also we interviews are wa granted ewo ayi ni ene won sama o keke bi wo hono mo a omo fi sa say
okay
ya bo madam for na
okay PRO bi a omo de ne ba education bi a oba ya obegu ni hu fi bi no
sa kwa na
sa ono a
afenyi whatever
ene enye me nwa do sometimes omo say omo ye nipa te say omo a omo se ke unia bi anase oba bi anase unia ke
visually impaired person
13 months
what call university with all excuse my word the blindness what me go through all this I've been through this point I no tianika enya osukra na be tianika unsusu ye obi a tia wo ka
enya wu botom sika enya
ebi on ma high headedness na bi ani o
enra abno say asare ka sem bi say obi ewu ukwa ye ni bi ukra na ukogina u company na nem ko bonsa unim ni nuanom unim na busuafo nyina otuanika 2 years and beyond but ye
oba na wuye no
binim ni pakro wuye
oba na wuye de em say jamana lie o
ahoja otina dwiri sisu say ye young boys any nurses ni ade a omo wie school omo pe validation no cry ye akase wo na bia obe sign bibi kra na bia
on sign
edimu
26 months
de wo de utia ne ka ba
de wo ya wo omo validate no every 6 months bia wo obi o we validate
how do you, so it's corruption of the highest when this your judge immediately also police
make your remand no so it's a go
take your mama no call
obi waka je ne say na dey ni kan say ose ono no chiro de koma bank ne say bank ne make sure say they will refund sikana watua e de ato ni pada account no no ensa emrowie no sa chiro ye e de koma yoko e no sa chiro ye de koma CID any special prosecutor say
why am from why bone
David one fan so say why bone say nipa no omo check omo check
no why wrongful payment for 26 months
ususu nim say nipa da wu ukọ aye ni bi ko bonsa
on my own hospital facilities no kan fa no chi ni kolebu wo no I'm for to US UK and so yetwamka
akuta nipa kroma say omoja omajuma gu ho ebia omotutu kwan ya dia
omo ni ya kana na o tumusumi so a no ma chem
and these accountants near the idea of war is state institutions
me say technocrats
oh yes
chief directors here you will be on my way chief director ye uniform ministry of finance near the commission of trade obe sit to is ministry of finance for budget officer planning near the now obe lobby no aside opochi omo they poach them
enra ema honorable Samuel Atamos nuano ebusa akwa ne say we a politician o se da bi oso ye de oso wa me civil servant am ye adwuma say we are no maba bedi atem say ye for
ye cobra yaw ye cobra the concept to be the call of bridges near table. It's time for tip off with Emba and Orlando on the seat.
Oso ye de oso wa me